I just came across what is possibly the easiest way to install Android apps on your Supernote. You can do it on Windows, Linux, or Mac. It's so easy. The first thing we have to do is lie down and go to the settings. From here, we need to go to security and privacy and make sure you have side loading on. This is what will allow the Supernote to accept the installation of Android apps. Okay, with this done, we need to install the software on your computer. So let me show you how to do it. The app is called Android Sideloader. You'll find the link to this page in the description below. And if we go to release, this is version 1.2.0. And if we click here, you have all the options, Linux, Mac, everything is here. I'm using the Mac version. So this is what it looks like. There's nothing connected. The Supernote is not connected to my Mac. Now what I'm going to do is just plug the Supernote, connect the USB cable. There it is. Supernote Nomad is already there. So now all I have to do is choose an APK file. In a recent article, I explained why I'm not using Obsidian on my Supernote anymore. You'll find a link here and also in the description below. But to show you how easy it is, I'm going to reinstall Obsidian. So if we go to Obsidian's website and then download, scroll down, here it is. We have the APK file. This is the Android file. So we can download this. Save as, let's save it on my desktop here. Back to the connected device is the Supernote here. Choose the APK file, Obsidian 1.10.6 APK, and install. That's it. App successfully installed. If we go to apps and my apps, here's Obsidian. If you want to remove it, delete it, just uninstall. I'm going to uninstall it because just like I said, I'm not using Obsidian anymore. The only non-Supernote app I'm currently using is Book Fusion. I install it just like this, downloaded the app and install it to my Supernote. It's so easy. If it was helpful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to help even more, please consider becoming a channel member or buying me a coffee. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon.